I'm Latoria from Latoria Designs and Decor. Welcome. Happy New Year, guys. Happy 2020. We made it. Yay. So this year I'm doing something new. I want it to be more visual. Normally you hear me behind the scenes. You see my hands movement or just doing a project. So I'm doing something new and I hope you guys like it. And I'm actually just pretty much jumping out of my comfort zone. So all things new 2020. So getting on to the project, this DIY, I wanted to do a rose planter box, a nice pretty planter box. So I use a nice mauve color for this planter box, and guys, it's so functional, it's so nice, and you can use it in any room in the home. I chose to use it in the bedroom for now because of the color scheme that I'm doing, but it can be used on a kitchen island, dining room table. You can use it in the bathroom. You can use it actually to place on the floor if you wanted to. Use it in a wedding. However you want to use it, it's very functional. It's so pretty and dainty. So guys, let's get into the DIY. So for this planter box, I used this Target Dollar Spot Christmas box that's for Christmas letters that my children use, and it was only for $5. And so I wanted it white, so I used my Waverly chalk paint, and I just painted over the entire box. So after I finished coating the box about 3 times, I dry brushed going around the entire box with some black paint and just kind of brushed up against the edges, and then eventually just going up and down on the box, just going around it. purchased these letters to put on the box to spell out home from Walmart. I believe these were like $3. I used these mauve roses that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And this is the outcome, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoyed creating it. So guys, you know, I hope this helps you to create your own, remake this. If you do, tag me in it at Latoria Designs and Decor. You can also catch me on Instagram at Latoria Designs and Decor and Facebook Business. Guys, so leave me a comment, any kind of comment, bad or good, however you felt about it. A thumbs up would be good, and please share this video with anybody who you think might need it to guide them through making something or yourself. So guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.